get high. Do you know why? Know if you gon' meet the right guy, stop killing out guys. Fuck the police, they tryna terrorize. See it in your eyes, you don't gotta sit and tell me lies. Goddamn, it's a shame. Oh damn, it hit his brain. Oh Lord. Hey, smooth, that's his lingo, lame. Fucking niggas make it rain. Jumping niggas shooting needles through veins. How can you judge me? Gotta be insane. I'm the type of nigga that keep it sane. I'm the one that doesn't need a name. Play my music, guarantee it's gon' fame. Approaching the scene with my dreads in their pain. Jesus pieces on my neck and they hang. People go talk on my face, keep a gang. Chopping, loud cocaine. Smoke it till I die. So when I die, I'm high. Cause I want my soul to go higher than the sky. Smoke it till I die. I'm still gon' rep the 5. F-I-E to the top. If I'm dead or alive, smoke it till I die. Do you know why? Stop killing now, guys. I see it in your eyes. Don't try to judge me cause I like to get high. You never know if you gon' be the right guy. Fuck the police, they tryna terrorize. You ain't got here sitting to these lies. We back at it again, what's in the kill part? They play a role on you like they the problem solver. I know they keep you cool, I know I be baller. Shooting people with they guns, yeah, might be the fucking revolver. Literally shit down the stop, I know when we see to the road for with the cops. We got the glocks, let's make a spot, dreadlocks, you up the clock. I think the government is a setup. Believe it or believe you fucked up. They telling these lies and y'all kiss the bus. Fuzzy people, oh my god, you so yuck. I'ma hustle, I'ma grind till I die. Not just some cocky cause all I is the skies. You can't believe this shit, you better obey. I'ma smoke till I die. Smoke it till I die. Just because I like to get high. Do you know why? Never know if you gon' be the right guy. I'm killing out guys. I see it in your eyes. Don't try to judge me cause I'm about to get high. Do you know why? Stop killing out guys. Fuck the police, they tryna turn around. I see it in your eyes.
Oh man, fuck that. Y'all think I'm playing.
Everything for bacon. Rest in peace, my man.
Y'all gonna know what to do when I call.
I'm sorry about this, y'all.
It's good, bro.
Bad ENT.
No, I'm good, bro. I see you back there, alright?
Somebody be at 5 to 8. Believe that. Rainbows, fuck your hoe. Let me call Rainbow. Something like a kinda cold. No, he got something like it though. Good weed, count 100. All you niggas hate the fun. Niggas talking about they gun about 100 fucking stupid niggas don't know how to run a Rainbow. Fuck your hoe. Let me call Rainbow. Something like a kinda cold. No, he got something like it though. Good weed, count 100. All you niggas hate the fun. Niggas talking about they gun about 100 fucking stupid niggas don't know how to run. I said I remember that time. My key was on the grind. He was like the Frankenstein. Because he had a couple lines. He was the first one that had better time. He took every picture so he can shine. Sipping no wine, chopping no crime. He is a street nigga, not just a guy. Shout out to Duncan Hines. Fuck you, dope, you broke and pine. He was intended against the predators for all his spine. PG the bitch, we gon' call her a time. She fuck on her mind. That's the first time she the bitch on my side. He was on my side. He be popping bottle 24/7. Niggas faking that I'm gonna heaven. Talking rockin' money, that was a lesson. Praising our God while I is a blessing. Fuck they go wicked defension. He put up the money in the structure. He keeps the feeling of work like a messenger. This is madness and a rapid connection. Bam, bruh. TCB, we party hard. Bam, bruh. See the feed, we was live. The groupie bitches already know who we are. Everything for the bacon. a calico, no, we got something like it though. Good weed, count on honey. All you niggas ain't good runners. Niggas talking about they gun up, but one time they fucking stupid niggas don't know how to run a Lambo. Fuck your hoe, let me call Lambo. Something like a calico, no, we got something like it though. Good weed, count on honey. All you niggas ain't good runners. Niggas talking about they gun up, but one time they fucking stupid niggas don't know how to run. Back in the day on my compound, we seen the shot, they have a good pound. He was the first one that I was gonna get a house to chop to break it down. That's the sound. Why you think his name was Rebel now? He was the fuck of the dummy, so he had to get the fuck out of town. Run up on you with the 30-30 at your boat. With the cash up, you gotta go. Hey, Rambo, she a hoe for the police when I beat the plus on the floor. My vote turn it up a little bit. My vote turn it up a little bit. Get them haters out the bitches that don't like it. Tell them niggas I got money, bitch. You go for you stuck up bitches too. I'm baby on one, y'all gon' play with boo. Shout out to City, that's cool. Shout out to Cameron, my brother Smooth. Lesson 10, that's a flop. I was introduced by a spot. Don't fuck around when it's got turned hot. We're leaving Drake on your block. But I can't be party so hard. Damn, bruh. I see you on them cars. Tell Baby Jake I love him on my all. Everything for Bay good, and that's on the pot. Rambo, fuck your hoe. Let me call Rambo. Something like a calico. No, he got something like you go. That's why you go.
I'll be your crazy when you talking about right? Turn up, right?
Niggas be talking about that. My brother Smooth called the package is wild. Fed by the NPAG, get a right so for fabulous vibes and no bullshit allowed. Niggas keep talking about what I can do. Ever since you got the moving round. Tupac and Rockers, the quick shotty hacking off at you now. It's like choke on the ground. Niggas keep talking about they got the loud. My brother Smooth called the package is wild. Fed by the NPAG, get a right so for fabulous vibes and no bullshit allowed. Niggas keep saying we acting funny now. Ever since we start calling them big round. Tupac and Rockers, the quick shotty hacking off at you now. It's like choke on the ground.
I heard he was perfect. The scene is like I started curving. I pulled him on his block. I dropped the top. The bitch fuck. These sperm just like fishes. Oh, large nigga. Still living. Sparks come out with that shotty. Boom, boom. Right to the sky. Close hands get filled. That shot to his face was crucial. They had two neighbors who did it. No minutes, no switches. Just got dope on my.
I hear it.
This man was shopping in the toilet. No squad on the bench. The five going up bench. This beat went crazy.
Right here.
We run up on niggas up place.
I did.
Stop the dog, my shooter. We coming with the fully cow Buddha. Zero fucks. Give it. Because the fuck niggas slipping. Trying to find images. Over there, ended up missing.
Niggas be talking about they got the loud. My brother Smooth called the package is wild. Fed by the NPAG, get a right so for fabulous vibes and no bullshit allowed. Haters keep saying we acting funny now. Ever since we start toting the big round. Tupac and Rockers, the twin they shotty hacking off at you now. It's like choke on the ground. Niggas be talking about they got the loud. My brother Smooth called the package is wild. Fed by the NPAG, get a right so for fabulous vibes and no bullshit allowed. Haters keep saying we acting funny now. Ever since we start toting the big round. Tupac and Rockers, the twin they shotty hacking off at you now. It's like choke on the ground. If it ain't my brother, come with the packages. I step myself out the niggas the snatches. Once they show up to the same, they rockin' shit. You should see look on your face when you fit. We don't deal with those bitches, that's why they hit them. Floated around the city, 48 hours is up. Found no witness, possession of mind of business. Niggas that say they gon' hang with you now, they always gon' be the first one to plan. So if it ain't my friend like NPAG, niggas get the fuck away, you to the night. My CEO known for drinking that cold. My prince, I go back up the toga. I know you done heard they hit me take 130. Now we take both of them, never go broke. The room and bubble, cause it gon' be smoke. These are an after OG in that dog. Mix them all together, get a gon' make you gon' run. Oh, because your ass was playing with the fun. Now I gotta go get big shit before my little what? Why you got? They got the line.
I didn't know they turned in this, man. Play shit.
That's one DJ.
Next one, DJ. Yeah, we got one.
Appreciate it. Shout out to the crowd. Look at these niggas. These niggas talk about they got bitches. Look at these niggas. Empty pockets so high you got fingers. Look at these bitches. Fuck up attitude bitches and city. Look at these bitches. Get the fuck away, you are so shitty. Look at these niggas. Niggas talk about they got bitches. Look at these niggas. Empty pockets so high you got fingers. Look at these bitches. Fuck up attitude bitches and city. Look at these bitches. Get the fuck away, you are so shitty.
Little bitches wanna smile when they see you. Ain't gonna ride, but you don't wanna see you. Can't see your bitch, but you don't wanna leave with it. Hit it one time and you know you gon' leave with it. Looking at your face, you thought I was keeping your bitch. I don't want the money, nigga. I just want your bitch. Catch me in the car, pass me in geeking. Flipping up bricks like a Puerto Rican. Right out of the head like a fucking beacon. Niggas so many you can never see me. So you can never beat me. Straight ready, you can never reach me. Walk on your block, do a feature. Catch a girl like that, it's nice to meet you. Very damn sweet. Roll up a dick for no damn reason. Leaving them all in the damn season. Squeezing the box for no damn reason. They get up for no damn reason. Block them ain't no fucking reason. Sit your block, sit your niggas. Hang your back like a fucking meat.
Look at these niggas. These niggas talk about they got bitches. Look at these niggas. Empty pockets so high you got fingers. Look at these bitches. Fuck up bitches, attitude city. Look at these bitches. I'm so shitty. Look at these bitches. Empty pockets so high you got fingers. Look at these bitches. Get the fuck up right now. Look at these bitches. Get the fuck away, you are so shitty. Oh man. Look at the fuck me down here. Oh man. Look at me one at a 10. Oh man. Perpetrating again. Oh man. Call me down, he wants me from the head. If you think I'm lying, then I touch your fist. All my niggas wearing metal solid. This is not the middle, it's all because you moving sounding like a dick. Coming from the middle. I think it's over the I feel the artists and talking and kind of like talking that I you niggas on the line like super weak up on the police and geeking. Goofy bitches from the back and forth playing on my tweet and tweaking. You shouldn't be breathing. I suck on my niggas talking about their level. She said that she never. I just put that when she started sucking. Come on, DJ, not give me the break, man.
DJ.
Last song.
Come on out, DJ. Hey,
yeah.
man, stop bullshitting, man. Turn up, man.
Yeah.
Man. Turn up, Slim. Turn up, please.
I'm trying to do this shit.
Let's get it.
Who the plug?
Who is he, man?
Who the plug? My niggas be out of them drugs. Who the plug?
Where you at, man?
Turn it up, who the plug? My niggas be out of them drugs. Who the plug? Different crazy type of color, nigga, lonely and dub. If you not plug, it's no love, so shoot no blood. Who the fuck? Talk to niggas, bud. Who the plug? Different crazy type of color, nigga, lonely and Shout out to the crowd. Shout out to the DJ.
Ain't no crowd. What you talking about? We the crowd. What you talking about?
I said 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Chris P, Rapper Dom, John Spock. Catch me on Instagram, 5_Spock. Now we do a pack like we heard. Follow me. From the front or this way? Instagram,
No, from here.
Twitter. Instagram, Twitter, 5PistolP, all that shit the same. I ain't lying. Shout out to Tay Marley Films. Yeah, shout out to Roy for coming through. Shout out to Roy and Tay Marley to come out. You know, man, we about to fuck the whole summer. Bang, bang.